Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am so excited because I want to show you guys some hairstyles to do. But before we get started, let me show you the hair. Turn to the side, from the back. If you want to see how I style this hair, then keep watching. Alright, so this first style we'll refer to as the Ashley Banks style. I just feel like this style is Ashley Banks-esque. The clip is really what seals the deal for me. But this is a really simple style. You just pull it up into a half up, half down style. And then I'm not even really sure what to call this style, to be honest, but it is a style where you take long twists or locks or anything really and wrap it around and wrap it up. I think it is so cute. I've seen girls do their full head. I ain't got time for all of that, but I did want to try it for the front two pieces and it turned out so cute. They fall like right where my chin starts, and I feel like it's just a nice cute little alternative to having the hairs all the way down in the front. Now this style is giving business professional, okay, giving office vibes. Okay, so next is our take on the pigtail style, which this style to me, I go back and forth with. Sometimes I feel like it makes me look super young, so I'm against doing it, but I feel like I can never go without doing it also because it's just such a cute, fun hairstyle. It's a little more different from just the standard half up, half down style. So you're doing basically two pigtails. Mine are kind of uneven, and then I'm just kind of maturing it in my own words by taking some hair and pulling it across. So I'm giving myself a little bit of a bang, and I actually love doing this with the braids too because then I can see kind of how the hair all looks together when it's pulled over. Okay, so you guys know, if you watch this channel at all, or if you know me at all, you know that I am obsessed with the claw clip craze. I'm here for it, okay? I'm so happy that this has come back around and I love it. I'm loving every second of it. This one is really simple. You are taking your hair first and putting it into a ponytail, and then you are securing it with a clip and kind of giving the illusion that it is hanging with a claw clip. It's really important that you do put the hair in a ponytail right before because the hair is thick and the clip is not necessarily going to support the hair by itself. So you're giving it a good foundation and then you're using the claw clip. Okay, so this next style is probably one of my favorites. I mean, they're all my favorites, but this one specifically just because it definitely is taking advantage of the curly hair. I mean, to be honest, I waited to film this video until I curled the hair just because I feel like when it's curly, you're just opened up to so many more styles that you can do. So for this style, we are putting our hair in a high ponytail, and then we're going to wrap that around and make a little bun on top of our head. So we are making a bun, but we are also going to take some of the curly hairs at the end of my hair and we're going to pull that around in the front so it creates sort of like a curly little crown around the bun. And then I am going to go in and add a little accessory in. I've been getting more and more back into hair accessories and just little things that elevate the look, in my opinion. So I'm taking some hairs on one side and creating a little bit of a, I wouldn't even call it a bang, just some hairs in the front. And yeah, this look is so cute. So just for giggles, I thought I'd include this one. I know it's standard, it's obvious, it's the go-to, it's the side part hairstyle, but it's not to be slept on, and I feel like that definitely should be incorporated into the style. The goal is not to get rid of the standard style, it is to broaden our horizon and see what else is out there in terms of messing with, manipulating our braids. I think Chloe and Hallie are such a great example of, you know, really taking your hair to the next level and just seeing what it can do. So this next one, again, this is just what I call like space buns, or I forget what the other word for it is, but just really some buns on the side of your head. Again, I'm incorporating the curly hair, so I'm doing the same thing I did with the other style where I pull the curls around to the front so they're framing the bun. And then I'm just doing this on either side. I put some hairs out in the front because I thought that would give a little bit of zest, you know, a little va-va-voom. But yeah, this style is pretty simple. It's pretty chill. I think it's a fun style, and I feel like with the right outfit, okay, we have to plan and coordinate accordingly, but with the right fit, it could be a really cute look. So this next style again is taking advantage of those looser curly pieces I put in. I did curl the bottom ends of my braids, but I also put in a lot of extra pieces specifically for styles like this. I think that it adds so much volume to the front pieces, so you can have them out, and it's just a really cute, simple look. I think that especially when you add little hair pieces in, you can really decorate it, style it how you like, but it's a good alternative when I don't want my hair down if I'm trying to put it up, but I don't want it all the way up. I still want a little, you know, party in the front, business in the back. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked all the styles. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. And that is going to conclude our little braid series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to check out my first two videos, which is my braid installation video and then me prepping my hair for the box braids. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!